Sibira kurungi twakutangirira eshaha neza Agacencwire ibiro byo kwezi byabacibanza okwezi no ku11 umwaka ne 2025 Serena Nuwamanya ne Lois Gava lito turabentu kutwara mu Gacencwire abwo twatebekanisa omwebazi yogo ntuza kwakira mtu ya makuru kuturagaruce tuyije na makuru mbwijwire.
Emitwe y'amakuru ne kuhikibwaho
Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Ne kuroba Seagard Investment.
Njawulo enkumulito ze tulina ku Global Paint. Yelanji wa Global aletawo enjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asiigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asiigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazisiringi.
St. Peter's Altar Wine ekozirwa mu mizabibu yonka kandi tebekanisibwe kurungi kukozesebwa mu maramizo. St. Peter's Altar Wine nekorwa aba Red Star Wines kandi neshangwa mu maduka no mwihanga lyona.
Gacencwire kireki 12 bitwa banyuma y'abanyambundu kutahirira ebyaro bishatu mu fotopoto.
Abantu aberarugera mu Kayange naje kureta amata ayiterena group y'abantu bengi muno bahimbera ebipanga bakwasire ebisho nibaruga kaziyungu.
Abantu mwenda kandi bamwe abanyambunda batahirire barracks n'ekitebe cya polisi bitwa umurikasese.
But all in all, our forces responded quickly.
President Museveni yasibe mu district ya Katakwi na Amuria umucange cya Teso arukuronda akaruru.
Groups from the NRM Secretariat will come up to your parishes and bring copies.
Emitwe y'amakuru yabane kuhikibwaho
Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Ne kuroba Seagard.
Njawulo enkumulito ze tulina ku Global Paint. Yelanji wa Global aletawo enjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asiigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asiigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazisiringi.
St. Peter's Altar Wine ekozirwa mu mizabibu yonka kandi tebekanisibwe kurungi kukozesebwa mu maramizo. St. Peter's Altar Wine nekorwa aba Red Star Wines kandi neshangwa mu maduka gono mwihanga lyona.
Agacencwire ombwejwire okutina n'emitima kwehanika omubantu nibyo byo mbyaro birukika bishatu omurembo rwa fotopoto bwanyuma y'abanyambunda batakamanirwe okurumba omwanya ogwo. Abanyambunda aba omukasheshekeri isoba baba bine embundu emihoro emihini hamwe n'ebindi kandi hona okutahira kwasiga abantu 12 bafire.
Abantu baburije mu fotopoto kandi abayerebere bibiri kugenda misho nabagira ngo abanyambundu baba barubinje bari kuhika 50 kandi baba begwire bikwatwe birumwe mbundu ebiti emihoro n'ebindi byo kurwanisa. Aba batahirire byaro birumwe ibonde ya kabiri Kanunu Apollo na Nyakasura aharishahi 12 ezakasheshe. Abayerebera nagabo no bagirangwa aba barwanagana n'abaserukare ba UPDF hamwe na polisi aba bamanyisibwe haha abantu aba.
Abantu aberarugera mu Kayange naje kureta amata ayiterena group y'abantu bengi muno bahimbera ebipanga bakwasire ebisho nibaruga kaziyungu. Hanyuma omuntu wena rube naruga kaziyungu tibakubaza nibamukora seni nibamugamba garukayo ezo kumugarira enyuma wakurwa mu town nojya Kazingo namba mugarra itabakwikiriza muntu wena kubaraba ayize enyuma rundi mu mayiso
abashija beke bazwire ngoye za black bazwire jaketi za black buli kimu cyone kibe cya black na boots za green hati aho nubo turozera abashija beke bali bantu bingi munu bantu akwingana ngo muhendo kwa bantu nkansanzu mumbere ni ndora mpulire natina munu nakaguza abantu mbaseraki twasera munu nagamba mbenzi ali aho ni ndora umusija munyoba kweta basaiza era nakaguza ngo abantu abaraba hanu wabarora na mugamba antiye na balengera bakwatankana agabasemuka kano na Apollo abasida babere bengi bakwasire ebipanga bakwasire emisho abantu basatu babere bakwasire emundu
ayitwaza kushikira hamwanya ugu twashanga mahina polisi bahereze kuhikaho kandi mwaha mitumbi neteberezebwa kuberye yabajahambuki Eshaje mesereza abaserukare kutandika kucebera buri motoka yone yabanera baho kandi umuntu we nubaye cengera bamwihamu omukoreki umwaha abantu yashangwayo no musi yo munshaho ye kandi ahantu abantu bakiriza abaserukare amani nuko kumubihaho bakamwitiraho
okuga mu moto wa bodaboda we amanzi muno okutajoni yangambira yabanavuga umuntu na muya Kazingo yabana karutindo aina kanisa SDA Kazingo na ra group ya abantu more than 50 ono mzee ya karingi pangas bamugamba tabaraba yaraga kinyuma yambiriza korabao bamwangira ukujo banteresimo ndio wange au nao teresimo kamanda wange wa PDF misadeke na mugamba isuri intercept eno group of people era Kazinga barakati tumukso murugi waitu antu wanu bahondera ndabanyango meni bikabarakisi nisanga baingurao bakimoro mgusa au nao amaegange nikatira muhoti ndeba kaguza bana abantu mabamanyira bagama
bali up and down beralikirire kurorangu aba boetoroiro abakubani bagamba ngo abakwetu aba rebo bali buli hamu hona mukichweka kino na habwecho mutusabira abantu bebichweke bindi kurorangu ekintu kino kyatandikira mukichweka cyaitu
Sabiti jora mukinuge nagira ngo bwanyuma y'amasasi kutandika binja habaja hambuki birukandiro mu kishaka
au nao tukirikana pola stage bakera kava itwena alikumeka na Apollo urugurnya kuri aha fame kuri aha kutera ta kava au nao tizirkura bayizire abo jubange bana bakera kava pikipiki yange mbengisekera hantu tizokura abo jaba tukwande batomkwe bagana nikipanga ondo bandozere akamkumbura nikipanga bekelemena kunyaga pikipiki yange tumukso murundi alikwenda ngera kwiza afana deka kamana PDF amtairishasu ogala kwa radio ogwa gwanka ansi byade tutinye bizibe tonga ina cyoke tumukso murundi umuntu sange zingi zora zibezera active we exchange the fire real what fire
tubongeramu mu intelligence yabo ngwabwo kuba omuntu kwiza kurubata akaraba habitats ya mahe Kazingo akaiza terekerira no muhanda akaraba ha polisi ya Bukuku ekini cyola ka abantu ababaira predicted cyane sabera batya person ya losiwanu babe empoweringa babege subcode bwa security na intelligence nuko kirenga ukora kurora ebyo kwerinda bya semera
ayitwaza kuhandikira amakuraga abe byo kwerinda buri umwe yaba natsindika hari mugenzi we kuba nwe yatugambira hanshongeji gashakwa Jonan Tsingwiri
webare Jonan tugumizamo n'amakuru Lieutenant Joy Walsimbe or RDC wa Kasese kandi urukuru byo kwerinda bwa district ejo yahamya kw'abantu mwenda aba batahirire barracks bireza polisi bitwa kandi abandi 30 bakwatwa ubwo kucondoza kuri kugenda omesho aba batahirire barracks ya Kasese Central Police hamwe na Rugendabara Police Station byone birukushangwa mu district ni yemwe ya Kasese
abantu abatakamanyirwe bigenderwa byabo nahi bakurugana bo batahira Kasese Central Police Barracks na Rugendabara Police Station aba baba bine muhoro ebirasho n'amabaro mu nshaho zabo. Bwa nyuma yo kutahirira Kasese Central Police Barracks, umwe wabayisherekere hina barracks yija kuba naterwa amasaso mu kuguru. Lieutenant Joel Warusimbi or RDC wa Kasese kandi orukurebyo kwerinda bwa district age yahamya ngo abantu mwenda ababa batahire barracks ibire za police bitwa kandi 30 bakwatwa obwo kucondoza kuri kugendo misho.
But all in all, our forces responded quickly. 15 have been arrested, including a woman. 5 injured our own, and 5 were put out of action. Gendabala police station, 5 put out of action.
Lieutenant Warusimbi yongera ajyangwe byo kwerinda byamazire kuba n'ibinywezibwa.
So I want to assure Ugandans and Kasese that we responded quickly and the situation is normal. We're trying to follow up those who are trying to retreat, but all in all, we are in charge.
Ogu yashaba abatura kuba kwatanisa hamwe no kurebeka ngo bamanye obukomoko bw'abantu aba.
The community, let's work together. Because once an insecurity comes in a place, it affects all of us. With the implement the hands-on officers and they want to each themselves. Let's share the information quickly so that may ease in our operations, because most of the operations are intelligence-led.
Terrorism, I want to call upon you, please give us peace, because a peaceful country can test development. A peaceful country is that country that shoots and jumps into high economies.
Gwambare yashabo batura bo mucanga cya Rwenzori kubagezaho kurwanisa abo bona abarukishisho businge bwabo.
I want to call upon the people of Kasese and Rwenzori region that we should desist from supporting any radicalization or terrorism. This business of radical behavior is not wanted. On behalf of Kasese district leadership, I want to strongly denounce this radical behavior and the actions of terror.
Emibiri yabitwa yatwarwa Kasese Municipal Council Health Center ya Kashatu obwo kucondoza kuri kugendo misho. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.
Tugumizamo n'amakuru ayobyo kwerinda kurwo mu district ya Bundu bujo erizo babeta abanyambondo babiri kandi abandi batanu bakwatwa omukasheshe kerizoba bwanyuma yo kutahirira kambi z'amahibiro mugombore ya Sindira mu district ya Bundu bujo.
Okugira mjojo president wa Bundu bujo omunyamahe owa Homwere Major Jones Mugabirwe echabaho shay 11 ezabushisha erizoba abanyambundu aba batayire kambi ibiri omuri yakakuka na marinde bazosya enkambi ezi nishangwa kilomita nche munonga hihi nesharo ya Uganda na Congo.
Sakutandikira saa 10 mpaka 11 tutungira abaremu batakinga ditachi ya Malindi twagambira bakakuka iri hansi yayo enyegere yamba ba Malindi ubarugiremo abaremu nibo bamwe kikose kindi kijya cyayo cya ditachi ya kakuka.
Aitwaza kwishira mwanyugu twashanga bamwe abatura bahize kuma mebyabo babitira mugongo barukorokera ogwabutama Mutinda Town Council.
Dene gutwarimiya mari kutugambera na tutubone twategereye amasasi ngo pakwete kubuga. Twabona no mwika ngo kukwete kumuka. Tunaliara satwa siku yatu tunategereye bire marende. Twabona nakakuka muliro ngo atandika korabeke kucuka. Tunaliara tunategereye bire marende na hane murongo nacuka twasiku yatu na hane masasi ngatandika. Twakara tuliara staka. Twaburo cyapa twaba mu box.
N'abandi nabo bakatuka bamashuba okulwe ekyabikere emutich ku secondary nerikandi eresa hore career neryo already indi obulemu buno buyetsuko attack okubara kisiya malindi ebusanzi kinyambo mayibulu neryo olwe luno sitota lwitererya baitu kyomusambu hanemu abande bantu ababrenda bakabya arrested ngadenkendi abantu abaketwa omwanzi wokoroki waiki
bamwe abatora abagamonitwe batugira ngo bo babariyo nibaronda ensenene nikokura amasase garukusheka
abane ibakakana yo olukonzo n'abandi ekiswirike kongo neryo ekitu lya koloni abantu bamanda babalangire ndende nuhe abantu bamanda bakakinga mu manyumba n'abandi bamanda bakakoleki bakati baitu komando kasamarera UPDF kwetas akabendisho somamba sana mwasa iliweka buna actually bakusi watu washamama abantu bano balusi batakoleki again
Meja Mugabirwe nagira ngo abazahambuki aba babajwire ebijwaro by'abantu baburijo begwire embundu obusare n'ebindi bintu muri emihini
barope tubajwire uniform abamwe tibine nembundu tukarozeraho nembundu nemo bitu bijire ndibatera kerere nico bana bitu babandiza kubudrungere barone bantu cyabo bajwire musivilian kuroze sibine bipanga na bwa karupa katapuru ebyo nibize kwihezo kubana nitu kwihamu government n'ibyo kurwanisa ibyo
amakuraga gasha kwa Jonan Singwere
tugumizamo n'amakuru. Vice Chairman wa NRM mu ihanga Alhaji Moses Kigongo ashabira besimbira umurimbaro district okubasa kwa nekitinisa Kigongo ebyo bigambirizo baryanyomwe bazyo obwabire nabuganaho abebembezi abambara abarukuza kwesimba omukarura kariyo nikija.
Alhaji Moses Kigongo umurukiko rwagizereho n'abanyambarara abandize no kubagambira bigendererwa by'ekibina cha NRM kandi abahabwire okubine kutwaza nk'abakada ba movement
buli muntu respectinge munne mogere bazima mukore ebintu bya mazima abantu basobora okubegomba
ogu ayongire yagira ngo cyumuresiro mu district yambarara no kugarukanisa babire besimbire kandi abashabiro kuhane kitinisa nkishemwe NRM party.
But it's our duty, we as leaders, to make sure that ensobi zino zebakoze tuzijjawo mukifuna bulungi tuzijjawo tetujja kuzijjawo nga situli mu leadership.
Nabwanyima abebembeza bizira ticket ya independent bahirwa mu gisho kumugambire biru kubashasha kandi aba bagambire Kigongo okwa karuru kataragenzereje
ekinda kiri ku message ndi kwenda kutuma ngo akaruru kagire mwe sente haza nikukireba nk'ekintu kike konka nkiza kubasa kureta revolution ombwire bwo misho
twakine cyo gukora hati abahagizi bitwereze kubagarira mu hopes mutugarikire twohereze kuba nominated atawone nyebuza pate ko yabenefa yo kutereze kintu abwenzi batarakikozire kari bakatweta kari takabira nominated sonje mayisangu mugasho n'umucene bacha abamwe bahanika inabargayo bakiciriza konkita amwe twayanga bakuba twohereze kuba nominated
abasya twahereza karuru abasetwaza chankwanza. We have been with those members of parliament who are NRM leaning and they are diligent members of the party. Independent,
ba flag bearers ba NRM nabo hine bibagambire.
So umuramwa gw'abagenzi bitu no kubajya ngo tuyungeho bareke tukore kumwe tubase kugira enamba mpango na percentage mu karuki tuka NRM aba president Museveni na flag bearers
ntumanya ngo no kantu bakahindukire nangwa no bwinji beyongire abo kugirira ebi Museveni abakorire esente zabahire eza PDM mwena muzireba abantu bona bashimirirwa muno.
na bwa nyuma Alhaji Moses Kigongo ashabira abanyambarara akaruru ka President Museveni kandi no kushagika bakwasire bendera omukaruru kihanga ryona akarije kuterwe 2015 ko kubanza 2026
muronde abantu abakutte bendera yange kwenye okulabira abantu abantu abakutte ki bendera kati mumwabaga mubasindikire mumugamba tujja kusindikira abatakutte bendera leo ndi abasaba abakutte bendera ye mugamba tujja kusindikira
ndi Evans Taremwa ahabwa TV West Agacencwire.
Evans Taremwa webali twaza kumuraho abwishweka ejo kubanza nitugaruka
agarukuraho nagakushikibwaho
Movit nerwa mite nebjumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutanga endwara z'omubiri nk'obuhere ebuguna amazomba nezibawe kundeka mwana wanje hataba kuguba Movit bakabita mushipa kimwe
mushanga sako limited einitaje rukuru nyamufumura shema yagaruka yakuretera kisereke cya Christmas omwakogu ba memba nabo kwenda kuba ba memba mwena ekitereke cyatandikire ni 914 byo ku 12 omwakogu
agarukurataho President Museveni yasiba mu district ya Katakwi na Amuria mchange cha Teso arukuronda karuru.
Groups from the NRM Secretariat will come up to your parishes and bring copies.
Ibyishomere ryahirwe senta namba bitu bamwe ombebyo bwejese bakanga nibiranda omuricenjejo
nyo nabona mbantere sumi mbanjangonyije impereza sente zo kutwara abana hishuri gukora ibintu nayo kuzankanya sente nzihe nkahi
agarukuraho gabanaga kushikibwaho
Movit nerwa mite nebjumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutanga endwara z'omubiri nk'obuhere ebuguna amazomba nezibawe kundeka mwana wanje hataba kuguba Movit bakabita mushipa kimwe
mushanga sako limited einitaje rukuru nyamufumura shema yagaruka yakuretera kisereke cya Christmas omwakogu ba memba nabo kwenda kuba ba memba mwena ekitereke cyatandikire ni 914 byo ku 12 omwakogu omatajaga
obuhabuzi ahabyo bwegese nibukukibwaho
At Avance International University.
Empower learners to connect with their God as individuals. Twendo mwana wewenka angire konaga naye dabhanga. Not only depending on Sara ezabalisi ngezabasheki. Muko bahereze sharezi tubashabe yonjereho bamaza kubyama mu kankabo egambere ruhanga kabo nawe cyo B7 na Sara bashabra hati. Don't forget to pray to your God as individuals. Remember to connect with your God as an individual.
obuhabuzi ahabyo bwegese bwabana bukukibwaho
At Avance International University.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
mushanga sako limited einitaje rukuru nyamufumura shema yagaruka yakuretera kisereke cya Christmas omwakogu ba memba nabo kwenda kuba ba memba mwena ekitereke cyatandikire ni 914 byo ku 12 omwakogu Matajaga, Chigarama branch, Wentuha branch, Shuku branch, Burere branch, St. Kagwa branch, Kaboye branch, Chanjeni branch, Mutare branch, Marinde branch, Mbarasite branch, hamweni tajeri ya Bwizwera, Erukushangwa Mbara district, Ebyokusimbura, Vermente, Embuzi, Enkoko, hamwene bindi binji, Tera noti shatumwendi ibiri, Chenda nemwe, noti ita, Mishanju na mwe, Nitubendeza Christmas enunji, hamweno mwaka musya, Ogwenkumibirabiri na mukaga, Ogwentunguka.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, ecenyanja, muchemo, obushaza, akaru, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kandi echo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel ne shangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera no tumushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga no tumushanje no tumukaga 36 36
Kuruku bujwireje turkwitaga no kugamba aba original garments bari sirimpinduko mu kujwara nibajwe kabashija nabojo hamwe nabana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe ezimbaga eza office amasata gagumire na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear denim jeans hamwe na shirts jumpers na sweaters z'umurembe bine na shorts hamwe na belts enunji abarkwenda vests boxers hamwe na socks original kiraba original garments abashija enkito zanye nunji is original is our office sneakers hamwe na flats original garments nibashangwa hala Grand Mall Mbarara City a High Street ahamwarugo kubanza room namba ya kana note mshanju 82 emwe mshanju mukaga note na note mshanju note emwe mshanju mukaga note
Stuart Trading Company Limited yakuretera chitaramo cha Mpengo ni fermented beverage 2025 echirukuiza kwata hasi nehiguru okumara ebiro 3 ebiri 12 byokwezi 11 chenjo jo mu chai 15 byokwezi 11 chegego mu chai 16 byokwezi 11 mubendo mu chai tizote utaferwa beshongozi bebemberwe David Rutalo MCs DJs okutahamne 15 kandi no tunjira echupa ya Mpengo ni drink utaferwa kwangura ibihembo nka solar panels ebitereche bya Christmas amasimu t-shirts engofira Mpengo ni drink ente aprons ekiteramo cha Mpengo ni fermented beverage 2025
Kati banshura ba Allen Interiors and Designing Hardware abantu bakafuru ba interior designing omuru burengero rw'izoba orino yombeka ninga no ngundiza makagawe hoteli amashomero ninga business yawe tutaya iro yotungira amatara ga chandelier agarika wa okashangura buraya sink zo murembe tiles za burishika wallpapers za toilet sheets dressing tables na millers shower mixers jacuzzi zo murembe za curtain water heaters tap mixers door locks carpets n'ebindi bingi kandi nibaguza kamwe hamwe na nokushubura nibashanga muri Mbarara City akikinya Bongo Street hii na gate ya Baspaka aho uziri kutahiramo esumu note mushanju 2 anane 2 abiri na mushanju 9
manager ogito wagito ko kama tumukidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ achumna na wearing ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tukizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze zenyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunyumbo
na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanyuire mbogo nikushecherera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje
With Momo, you have the power to pay for shopping more easily using your phone. Dial *165*3# or scan to download Momo app and pay for anything. No hassle for change. And even better, if you run out of money while paying, you can simply add core with Momo Advance. That's Momo. That's the power to be more.
Christmas Bunyaruguru Development Sako yakuretera ishitereke nyamurungi ahiburiwa mwarije kwangura bwa nyuma yo kugura no kusevinga emyeze eshatu kuruga kibanzo ku 10 kutabira na bishatu byo ku 12 1025 otehireyo rero kirakomugisha go kutaha mukazano ko kwangura ebirabonye mwinshi wasevinga miliyoni 2 neshweka nemigabo miliyoni 2 neshweka notungo mcyago kwangure wasevinga emitwara 5 nemigabo emitwara 5 notungo mcyago kwangure wasevinga emitwara 25 nemigabo emitwara 25 notungo mcyago kwangure nkoko shukari omucheri emigazi nebindi nibaharon za boda boda dairy school fees agriculture emergency home improvement water harvest commercial loans nebindi nibashangwa nyakasharu Bunyaruguru head office kandi bine branch chambura Kitagwenda Ibanda Kagongo Kasese Katungu
Ebiro bikuru ebi shemerwa n'abanyarwanda.
Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad n'amashemerwa mingi n'abatabarusi yabona abafuna visas bakatambura kandi benjera kubanyisa abantu mwena ngw'emihendo yabo ebachazire mpaka miliyoni 2.9 mega discount byona biwire harimo visa air ticket emishana mirungi munonga okora cha Kenyonyi omu Dubai emiromo nkaba customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents, landing grounds guides, and aircraft cleaners. Okuhandisa no kwabusha ahamirimo yona ahamataji gabogona.
Esimu note mushanju ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itanu mukaga ninga note mushanju ina itanu ninga note mushanju ina note rukumi.
Namakuru okushera akaruruko bwa president karugumza mu kugenda omeisho Yoweri Kaguta Museveni or president wa Uganda kando kwisebendera ya NRM okushera akaruruko bwa president Elizoba yasiba omu district ya Katakwi na Amuria omuri Teso sub region.
The people of Katakwi have sided.
President Museveni nagira ngo mu kirere kwija naza kure nguto zo n'umucanga cya Teso no kurebuza abo bona bari kure mirimo y'ebishobobo ekareta za sisikaraho naho General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yabashagatirwa bebembezo mu kibina kurwo mucanga cya Teso kandi bamukwase ngabo 10 n'entebe nkakamanyiso ko kumuhasirira gumiza munatije kihanga.
President of peace and stability. Our president is the president of peace and stability. Thank you, Your Excellency. The General is trying and showing you his capability in the area of defense.
Museveni yabashagatirwa mukazi we Mama Janet Museveni kandi nagira ngo ubu nibwo bwira abanya-Uganda kurinda obusinjo bine bari kushagika president. Mama Janet yashaba bateso kureka kwebaganisa mwabwe byo butegeki.
Madam President and the NRM government have also been used of God to build a strong foundation of peace, of unity that has brought about the stability we see in our country. Therefore, we must all straighten out our hands and hold hands together as NRM and bring more of Ugandans who are not in NRM, because as we become strong, as we become more of us, we become stronger. Don't look at those who are outside of NRM as enemies. They might have not heard yet what NRM is doing for our country.
Abebembezo muri Teso basima President Museveni kandi baraganisa kumuha bushagiki.
We are deeply humbled and greatly honored by your presence among us, Your Excellency. This large and enthusiastic gathering has assembled to witness your presidential campaign ahead of 2026 general elections and to reaffirm their unwavering support for you as the most capable leader to protect and consolidate the gains achieved under the NRM government.
I would like to thank you because the democracy that you have sowed over the years to our country has produced results including economic stability, political stability, and military stability.
President Museveni yaraganisa kwata bobona barukore mirimo y'ebishobobo kandi ubwo government iri kubetiraho sente nyamwingi.
Now when you examine in Teso here, the economic infrastructure, you can see the road all the way to Moroto, the road to Lira, we now intend to work on the road. There's a road which we must work on. There are roads like from Katine to Ochero. But there's a road which we shall work on from Soroti, Amuria, Obaranga, Achanpi, on to Otuke, and so on.
Aha nshonga y'amashanyarazi n'amizi Museveni yajya unaenda buri cyaro kutunga amizi go mudumo go gukoresha mu maka kandi akabatero na go gukoresha mu kuhinga no kurisa.
Katakwi has got 550 villages.
Oh, ni Katakwi ijake de chalo alangsa kwaraka nyaksakany, but your excellency there are 629.
Well, I don't know. I'm using my file here.
Okay.
550 villages. According to this file, 342 of them have got, I think, boreholes. This is 52%. So there's another 208 villages which don't have a borehole each. And in the coming government, the plan is to make sure that each village gets a borehole.
Abyamagara n'ibyo bwegese Museveni yajyanga urugombora neza kurebeka ngo yatunga ishomero rya secondary na n'amarwaro kandi naza kutungura amarwaro harengorwa health center ya kabiri gaza health center ya kashatu hamwe ne ya kana. Nyenchakare President Museveni aja kumuro mu kushera Karuru kandi izoba ryo kubanza naza kwa ryo mu district ya Serere hamwe ne ya Soroti.
Yalamano, Your Excellency, we wish you journey mercy.
Ndi Anita Tukunda.
Continue.
Mwebare Anita Atukunda abatura bo mu rugo byenje umurembarura City North umurembarura City nibetomwitara abebembeze ba City Council abwo kubura ko bakora umuhanda gwabo ogwatwirwe amizi abantu bagira ngo bakamanyisa abebembezi ahambere yabireho konka ngutine cyakozirwe.
Abatura bo mu cyaro cya Rwobiyenje nibagira ngo banyuma yenguto kutwarwa amizi bakagambira abebembeza bukiro kwataho bitu natine cyakozirwe.
Akatindo kitwaka enjure zibira umuzirebere katwire kacwekere mwe na mizi bwijera karvat zagira kikarvat zagira hati tunshabaga kwiti no bemeze bwasite tkorora katindo aka ahabo kuba abantu bina hiyo kurabesha heza business zikingire abantu bwitasi yabefire
konga katinda aka kariyenke nkenda kutwitira abana bishomero abakora bahombaza kusoma ababoda abakora bahombaza kugwamo niyo nshonga ahabwenci tugentwe dushaba government mazima abantu abiyatiro barondo kubatekateka bakoro orutindo otherwise abantu bagenda bagwa mu mbafamba ho
Urgutoru nurunywanse cyaro cya Rwobiyenje nenguto yambara masaka bito bwatabatura nubagira ngo bashazire mu kurucinga abo kugira ngo imotoka zimwe nizibasa kugwamo.
Mwene tinkumanya government eji itoka tutajinyaga cyahiko mucyo kwemishorekano tujiha cyahika okushara hamshara yitu kanu basharaho mbweni nyoni nyebuza habwaci cyahika hakukorera imihanda yitu batakujukora kwiho muhanda ogwagwayo gucumbagize amaduka gitu twachikora
no kutero maranga ngo abebembezi bakiyambe mutwere omuhanda gusharukireho ngo kumwagureba urutindo rugwireyo mutuyambe mwije mutukoro rutindo meya wituba MPs oguno murumo gwanyu nico twabaheriro bururu.
Twagamba na Robert Mugabe Kachebezi meya wa Mbarara City asuma nshongeji
kibireho ekatwarwa mizi town crack na ba engineer bayi batari mu baferi nanye mbende Kampala turiyo turga Kampala turiyo twenda ko muhando gwe obaye akucharo rwo kubanza twine no kurokinga aho tukuza kuri urguto.
Ndi Anita Tukunda.
Wibare Anita Atukunda katugaruke tumureho nitugaruka.
Katochi yeri no bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibaregaruka kugire nako hamutima ryaguma bina mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munywecho katochi yeri no bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi yeri na chama chayo muhute katochi yerya hamutindo. Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
oino mukoronke mbaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera obuhereza bw'orurengo rwensi yona obwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona akasente kensheko tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room number 17 ari Mbaguta Street omuri Mbarara City okumanya birukiraho tera noti mushanjo mukaga hata no nitano chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twenko muri burengero rwizoba abino buhereza bwo murembe abalala bajale chenyo bakubumbanyo sengena na nitwakira omuri Rwambara Suits omwanya gw'obugwaje n'obuteka omuri Mbarara City hati twigwireho conference hall eyo mutindo gwa higuru enebyo kwejunisa omunchiko nka projectors no kurire kitongore no endo mwanya gwo gukorera muza seminar board meetings nebindi omwanya ni Rwambara Suits conference center twine bishenje byo kuraramu ebyo mutindo gwa higuru munonga single double hamwe na executive suites ebara yo mutindo restaurant n'aba chef baronje munonga nitushangwa ari proti 14 Mosque Road Mbarara City esimu noti mshanje noti 3 58 nshanje na mukaga 88 ninga noti mshanje 5 noti emwe 3 nshanje 4
amazina abanyitaka cyabewini shahe tsindukanye mpara mugomboro ya Kenshunga mu district ya Kiruhura nahereze natandika ka branch ka business nguko mukareba nashanganye mu remote area etana mashanyarazi so na decidinga gukora na free solar na mpereza system yabo niho fridge niho haka TV kanje so tinyine nshonga na free solar
mweniwe oasaruni abamashomero abamaduka abazafamu n'abatunzi benkoko banyine maka abamabara na za hoteli tunga sora ya fresi rero kora magoba ijuka ngo nibagikushumikira bagikanike kandi bagaruza mekiri kusisikara aho gabusha free ebiri kukira hotela noti munana noti hashatu na mukaga hatano na mushanju ngaga ni 5 eyabusha
Muzeyi kwa badomu rwa Katoli kundongozina
nanywedde kano ka Luvera chawuda drink kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kakindi kakyebule mutobo okododa kololo okotyonguka kwata kano
muzeyi kano bakayita batya?
Pineapple soda drink kakamuddwa mu nanasi.
Bojo
mutolo va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe Kakiga.
Bangambye omubiri munafunafu Kakiga talina maanyi.
Kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi.
Ye naye nenfuna ow'amaanyi otamira ku soda drink. N'abawala nabo banywa obutamu.
Have you given you all your money?
Can't you give me something better than this?
Better than what? Is a teacher illegal tender for Bank of Uganda?
I don't need these coins. Give me my money. I said give me my money. Give me
Young
my money.
lady,
What is
young
it?
lady.
What is it?
Don't you know that it is wrong to reject a national currency of any denomination? You should respect it and know that all money has value.
Bank of Uganda issues coins in the denominations of Uganda shillings 1, 2, 5, 10, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 1,000. They are all legal tender in Uganda and should be accepted for all transactions. Money is precious. Handle with respect. This message is brought to you by Bank of Uganda.
Obwengula obulabika obulungi okutuukira ddala ku ttaka erya langi eya kitaka. Langi zino tuzirabira ne ku bisenge, ku mmotoka ne mu bunyonyi kw'ossa ne mu bisolo eby'enjawulo. Langi eno erungi ya buli kimu. Langi bwe bulamu.
Okusinziira ku langi ez'enjawulo enkumuliitu ze tulina ku Global Paint, ye langi wa Global aleetawo enjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asiigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asiigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazisiiringi. Weefunire langi ya Global ku hardware yonna ekuli okumpi.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
Chuchumura kabozi komora kabozi. Chuchumura kabozi tuntumure stressi. Tuntumura burwiro komora kabozi. Oshemezo mu wife, oshemezo mu husband. Komora chukunywa chakabozi multivitamin drink. Chikutasyo munsi y'amagara marungi. Nichikuyambaho kwigura emisi, kireta amani masyo mu bashija hamwe n'abakazi. N'endijo migasho kwata kabozi multivitamin drink. Otuntumure chubaro na stress. Echokunywa chakabozi multivitamin drink nichikorwa bakabozi Health Products Limited. Chamibwa UNBS kandi churoho mbipimo bya milliliters 320 omuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozi okwetorora ihanga ryona. Okushubara no kumanya ibirukiraho 0702 15 81
Olina omutwe oguluma, emimiro egiruma, ebinywa, amannyo oba omusujja. Waliwo Kiramo Plus. Kiramo Plus lw'amaanyi ku bulumi n'okuyambako embuto eziruma. Asangibwa mu maduuka agatunda eddagala wonna mu ggwanga. Kiramo Plus takkirizibwa baana abali wansi w'emyaka 12. Obulumi bwe bweyongera, genda olabe omusawo.
Njirayo n'Agacencwire abatura omurembo rwambarara bashabwe okuterera President Yoweri Museveni akaruru nk'enshumbushano bari kumusima ebyakorire orurembo rwambarara.
Abanyambara kushabwa ngo baterere President Museveni akaruru k'enshumbushano n'ubunjikirwa mukuru w'ihanga umurembo rwambarara Catherine Kamwine abirari ha mukuru ogwo kutongoza DBC initiatives abehire yo kurondera President Museveni akaruru bekundire umukoro gw'ikirwa hebukonje bya NRM mu rembo rwambarara. Okurugera Debra Chosimire orumukamonte bekanseji kandi orukwera imyetero kurenga muri bitano ombyemerimo bashaziremo kurondera President Museveni obushagiki bekundire.
Ikintu cyahinduka ebintu byona nibizaguma koko biri, but the good thing that team yitu inenka DBC wa abakukanga 500 now tuza kuhereza muzeyi witu mobilizing jira obururu 100%.
Ababegwiro na office mu rembo rwambarara umukoro gukurirwe sezi murari.
We shall look at the way how we can really help her.
DBC yakoroma umuntu munonga ndebura na company ye ogoreka ngo ne wasakurugayo mu brazingire president akaruru yetemenyeto yegeto yetabakazi kandi tebona office yo kugira ngo NRM mobilization mwangu nyeti mukwenda ngabwino bahabuze mukwenda mbasa kubutungaha
umugandi obuturukwiriro bururu bwabona oburukuza kutera umukukubanza umwaka 2026 abebembezo barukora mu district y'Isingiro baca mu kwagira President Museveni kandi mba kumurondera karuru
Agacencwire y'obugaga neshangwa mu cyaro cyo bugaga omuruka gwa Nyamarungi omugombora eyambare omu district y'Isingiro omwishaza lya Bukanga eri kwebemberwa MP Kangwage Steven.
Bishengereza muri kamwe karusenye mukama ekirisa cyawo kigwene kirebekera na buri muntu utaho umwanya ariko kono gwa barebe ekirisa cyawo
Insima rahanga ahabwa abahereza bariyaha insima rahanga habwe ikikorwa cy'Agacencwire konka rahanga atandikira umurimo murungi hagati yeito kandi torekeye gukora ebintu nyamwingi kwisyo guhereza abantu
inshongeza abatumo kumuhagera nazo zagambwaho oyiro abebembeza barokora muri Isingiro abandi bebembezi barugera heru ya district
Uganda abantu baragana Kasongora abandi baragambara abandi baraga mu district zitarizumwe na zumwe hariho abana Kasongora hariho abantungamo hariho muri Isingiro mu hariho abaraga hare na hayihi na Cyankwanzi
nda Aidan Bataringa yana Senyo Gideon.
Abanyamakuru betu tugumizamo n'amakuru abasire hamwe na bakuru b'ishomeri ya Vision of Hope umutawuni kanse y'abutondozi bacera omukwetombetra abari kutwara ebyobwegese omu district ya Chenjejo abwo kubimorsa rukushitamisa abeji bechamushanju ahishomero ryabo. Mutsasireho tugumizamu n'amakuru nko muringo gumwe obwo kurwanisa endwara no kuzitangira abashaho bebyaro abari kwingana 1,354 batendekirwe omu district ya Chegegwa okurigirira ahabwe byamagara government ine entekateka ezo kwija kutandika kujanjabira endwara zitari zimwe na zimwe aharurengo rw'ebyaro obwo abashaho bebyaro barbo bakurire ehururejo
Teba VHTs batendekirwa ku maresa ndibiri kandi aba bari hagati y'imyaka 18 na 45
Woleka abantu ole kujya kurundi eke nungesemerire kuganaki nde basakurinda mu mwire kuchumba amaizi kurara mu butimba bw'indubu ebintu nke mugumizemo ne uru ya government.
Ronaldo Mugabe Mbega obyamagara wa district ya Chegegwa nagerangwe ntebekana seje ebembirwe kitongore cha Mastercard abakwatanise na UNICEF.
Kitongore cyo boneza nchetaga ngo endwara ko musija gwemibu enkoro tunde ibeta pneumonia no kuturuka stand kuwege janjabirwe abyabo
barukutongoza VHT zabo muri Mpara hamwe na Kazinga babahijira kutomunkore babashomise
B1 mubaze kintu kimu muyambengana as VHTs akwano borabona hano kumanisa ngo borataho gende kuri muka box kawe wewe kanangwa rora bagenzi bawo bo bachikozere bo bakakora itujakora action plan
somere malnutrition abantu mbyaroko abaina mali ya mabi twasoma nankendo kuserurize ndwairezo nka disease surveillance kurondereza ezendwaire ezikubumbyaro ezezugwamo
abani bija ku banu bakora emirimo etari emwe n'emwe omu byaro Rukaga Nshanju na Mushanju ebirukora district ya Kyegegwa omugandi abariso muri nkore n'ebicweke bindi bashabirwa kuratira okuhabura ko bakugumbya amatungo baba nibenda kugira amatungo marungi okuhabura oku kuherwa yoshira mwine owabiro MP omukaza wa district ya Kiruhura kandi obwatori harukiiko rwa National Animal Genetic Resource Center and Data Bank.
Mutekwa ne tukugenda na science kugenda no nakoburho kureba umwanya ogwine nicyo wakubasa kutongeramu kikakugasha kikakutungura kandi ne ukakitsigira barije.
Dr. Jackson Mubiru orokoranka manager mu department ya assisted reproductive technologies umurnagri and data bank nagirango batira omushomogu okuhanisa n'ebitekateko ebigenderere kutungura omutindo by'amatungo muyangari yona.
Muri muguno ugamba ati ikintu cye uri cyatunza banne oba cyakuma dala cyangwa gaso kivamu kikino kuvama amata gadala manji gamugaso inyamanga obwete bweri amajingo tubiri.
I've told you we did analysis. We did some research some years back, and the Ankole cattle in this country are the best. Yeah, compared to those ones in Burundi, I don't know, Rwanda, whatever. And they've taken our Ankole cattle to America, but still Ankole cattle are the best.
Babarisa n'abakugabeta biro mushomogu bagambire barukwenda bikorwe.
Where are these facilities? You can see you're talking about the economics, the economy, the milk, the beef, but we still have to do a lot of things, including our government and politicians.
We find the farmers needed to see you doing the thing. They need to see a cow being milked 20 liters, then you tell them what you did for this cow to reach this level. So we now started on how can we get to that level that the farmers shall believe in what we are doing.
Gashakwa Philip Murangira na Abdul Karim Sengendo.
Mwebare abanyamakuru betwaza kumuraho kutoragaruce twijagarukana makuru ago agishomere kuruga umuri change rya Vision of Hope na nebikurkwataho ntwija kubantu bikusyaho twaza kumuraho nitugaruka.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire echo shua. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Wakozesa momo nobu inamani kukushashuje biwagura olikozesa simu yawe hatari okuteganisibwa yimata star emwe mukagitano star ishatu hashi ningasho scanning code kudownloadinga momo app kushashuje kintu cyona hariho kuteganisibwa na change kandi kiri kukiraho sente zako ho wabo ine cyo kushashura nubasa kongera hazi wabo ine olikozesa momo advance ejo niyo momo amani agari kuretera kukiraho.
zamu n'amakuru abazire hamwe n'abakuru b'ishomero rya Vision of Hope mutabona kanse ya butunduzi bacera okwetombwitira abari kutwara ibyo bwegese mu district ya Chenjojo ahabwo kubimorsa urwo kushitamisa abeje becamushanju ahishomero ryabo.
Abantu bagira ngo ministry y'ibyo bwegese ekabaha senta nambo mu mwaka gwa 2020 konkana hati district ya Chenjojo tekabahagarusa rwo gukora ibyezo bya P7 ayishomero ryabo.
Stand registered with Ministry of Education and Sports umwaka gwa 2019 nibwo twamaririye ku registeringa na ministry, then umwaka gwa 2020 twasaba UNEB center number aba UNEB bagituha okwiha n'ubwo bwire tukahebwa gomugisa gwa abana bitu kwikara isomero yitu reno ekintu kusaliza muno abo ensonga abana ne barubate ingendo zireyihire kugenda nabo bakora ibizamu ecya kabiri then ne bicweka nabo bakora ibizamu no usanga tebari comfortable
ogu yatumanyisa nkwihobo ebigezo batahana babikora ishomero rya Butunduzi Model Primary School erihihi nabo ngo bito mwako kubamanyisibwe ngo bazakora harugura primary school omundijo gomborora
genda mu office ya Niyonzima Everest district inspector of schools naga ensonga ninjagiroramo nago nugujyo atakageruramuga ohiro hatisa zino kandi cyatutalebaniza muno nuko abana bitu kubeha mu town council Butunduzi town council akabatwara mu Gomborendi bakweta Butunduzi sub county ze kilometer 12 kuruga hano na mbere isomero lidi kandi ijuka abana bitu bano abandi ne baruga kilometer 3-5 kurwo mu byaro
twatunga no kumanyisibwa ngo abana tubakozere briefing izo bari ya nyumwazyo abwenjire sibire negwa otironi ishomero bine koraho bigezo kubarera hare mununga
buno bwire bwenjura nuko buri bwire bwenjura yijo ubwire bwa briefing bubasigirege enjure bwire kuruganga sayitano kukanga say12 abana tubagenda wa briefing
kumbire ndyaho nyo nabona bantere simu banjangunyije impereze sente zo kutwara abana hishono gukora ibibuzo naye buza nkanya sente nzihe nkahi banjangu bakabahindura kandi nimanya ngo bakashaba kora hane bibuzo mwaka gwe 2020 naho babe batutira hali ya sera haliya bakanga bakabiha
tarundi mukuru w'ishemero yangira ngo abana babatiro gukora umwishemere rindi kandi distance niningwa so bagamba turete emitware 3 ya transport aho nanye sente bentazino rede tinka zishashwire ndyanchashobira
Everest Niyonzima orukwetombeturwa na Jangu Vision of Hope kabima sitting center abwenshonga zo kutekateka uko ibebigezo ngo kandi ishomero rya Butunduzi Model Primary School ayibaturana bakorera bigezo ngo rutahandiye tombo itanshonga nzo zimwe atiyo nawe nuko kubahindura.
There have been a lot of confusion that school with my folks top care and some other private have been there but those ones spearheading copying bari kwenda kuzo kopa like last year there is a problem where even some teachers were chased and the Butunduzi primary school has been at the verge of course being in fear because of being spotted as a hot spot place. So because of that one, they would not sit with any private again because they saw as being risky.
Abebembezi nibajyango murambuzi w'amashomero Niyonzima Everest na wayi n'ishomero kandi rine sitting center enshonga ibari kutekateka munati na competition kurwo mu ishomero rya Vision of Hope. Amakuru agasha kwa Daniel Bingana.
Webale Daniel ntsa kugumiza n'amakuru agebye mizano umutendeki wa timu y'abaryansi y'imyaka 17 ya Uganda Cubes yashemerwa n'umutindo ogwabazana batorenwe bariyo nuboreka umukutendekwa aha chaye cha fufa umuri njeru obwari kwitebekanisize mpakaze cange cha sekafa eziri kuza kwindira umuri Ethiopia okutandika hagati yo kwezoko.
Omutendeki wa tiimu eyabali hansi y'emyaka 17 eya Uganda Cubs Valier Kingston yashemererwa na n'omutindo ogw'abazaana batoorinwe bariyo niborekwa omukutendekwa aha kishayi kya fufa njeru obwe barikwetebenkanisiza empaka z'ekyanga kya sekafa ezirikuza kuhindura omu Ethiopia okutandika n'ahagati y'okwezi oku.
Tuchemanyize tebigenda kuba byangu naye bijja kolebwako. Ya, basi wetu jo.
Kingston arikwerwaho abatendeki Hamza Lutalo, Stephen Bengo na Yasin Mugabi yayoreka amasikongu abazaana batoorinwe nibija kukiikirira Uganda kurungi okukora nkabo abakikozire Uganda etyo ekarabaho ekahika n'omuzensi yona obwa hati eziriyo nizija kutandika kuhinda omurakata aho Uganda yashikireyo erikuza kuzeetabamu.
I think we started very late. We have about 18 days to start the competition, the qualifier. It was very tough, but we managing to try to build a team that can represent.
Ensuubire tunamalirako ennaku nga 15 tujja kuba tumaze okulondamu okuselectinga ttiimu y'abantu nga 21 abagenda okukiikirira eggwanga lino. Oba ennaku tulina ntono naye sofa twakatambula bulungi ennaku ze tuli mu kampu.
Gashakwa Aloysius Byamukama.
Aloysius Byamukama webari amakuru ago ag'ebyemizano nigo gahindera Agacencwire agutwatwinire kireke ntukusima munonga yogumire netwe aha TV West. Serena Nuwamanya na Lois Gava n'abandi abitwakora nabo ntibendeze okurara n'obusingi.